In this video, we will discuss about trading, mastering the art of trading, strategies to earn money. Introduction: trading is a dynamic indicator that offers individuals the opportunity to profit from the function in financial market. Successful trading requires a combination of skill, knowledge, and discipline. In this guide, we will explore essential paragraphs covering various aspects of trading and how to earn money from it. Understanding the basics. Before delving into trading, it's critical to grasp the fundamental concepts such as stocks, bonds, commodities, and forex. Familiarize yourself with marketing terminologies and how different assets are traded. Choose your market. Select a market that aligns with your interests and expertise. Whether it's stock, forex, cryptocurrency, or commodities, specializing in a particular market can enhance your trading success. Develop a trading plan. A well-structured trading plan outlines your goal, risk tolerance, entry and exit strategies, and position sizing. Having a clear plan helps you make informed decisions and avoid impulsive action. Risk management. Protect your capital by implementing effective risk management strategies. Never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. Technical analysis. Lead Learn to lead price chart and analyze patterns, indicators, and trend. Technical analysis aids in identifying potential entry and exit points. Fundamental analysis. For long-term investment, understand the underlying factors that impact assets values. These involve analyzing economic indicator, company financials, and geopolitical events. Paper trading. Practice trading without real money. Use paper trading or demo accounts. These help you hone your skills and test your strategies in a risk-free environment. Embrace continuous leading. The trading landscape involves rapidly stay updates with marketing new trends and new trading techniques to stay competitive. Avoid overtrading. Trading exclusive can lead to poor decision making and burnout. Stick to your trade plans and avoid coming to FOM or fear of missing out. Patience is key. Successful traders exercise patience, waiting for optimal setups rather than chasing after even opportunities. Trading psychology. Managing emotions is vital. Develop in emotional discipline to prevent greed, fear, and impulsiveness from affecting your trading decision. Diversification. Spread your investments across different assets to mitigate risk. Diversifications help protect your portfolio from significant losses in case of marketing downtop. Use stop loss order. Implement stop loss orders to limit potential losses. These automatically exit a trade if the asset's price moves against your position beyond a certain threshold. Concentrate trading. Concentrate trade take position opposite to the prevailing marketing sentiment, capitalizing on potential reversible. Day trading. Day traders execute multiple traders within a single day, aiming to profit from short-term price movement. Swing trading. Swing traders hold position for several days or weeks, capitalizing on medium-term trades. Long-term investment. Investors take a buy and hold approach, focusing on the long-term potential of assets rather than short-term price inflation. Scalping aim to profit from thin price changes by executing numerous rapid trades. Carry trading. In forex, carry trades earn money by taking advantages of interest rate differential between currency pairs. RT views. RT bridge involves exploiting price discrepancies of the same assets on different marketings or platforms. Algorithm trading. Utilize algorithm and automated system to execute trades based on predefined criteria. Trade size and leverage. Be cautious when use leverage as it magnifies both profits and losses. Determine your trade size based on your risk tolerance. Backtesting before Implement a strategy, backlash it on historical data to access its potential happiness. Fundamentals and technical combined approach. Combined both fundamental and technical analysis can provide a comprehensive view of the market. Follow experienced trade. Learn from a successful traders by observing their strategies and analyzing their thoughts process. Economic calendar. Stay informed about upcoming economic events that could impact the market and adjust your trading accordingly. Avoid chasing losses. Trying to recover losses quickly can lead to impulsive decisions. Stick to your trading plan and accept losses as part of the progress. Adaptive strategy. Adjust your trading strategy based on changing market conditions and lessons learned. Avoid herbal mentality. Don't blind follow the crowd. Independent analysis and critical thinking are essential for successful trading. Keep detailed records. Maintain a trading journal to attack your trades strategies and outcomes. Reviewing your journal can help you identify areas for improvements. Stay disciplined. Adhere to your trading plans and resist emotions, impulses. Discipline is calculated for consistent success. Avoid trading under stress. Making decisions when stressed or fatigued can lead to poor outcomes. Trade whenever you claim and focus. Continuously adapt. Marketing change and so should your strategies adapt to new trends, technologies and marketing dynamics. Understand marketing sentiment. Marketing sentiment influences price movements. Stay attentive to new and social media to gauge sentiment shifts. Network with fellow traders. Engage with other traders to exchange ideas, share experience, and learn from one another. Exit strategies. Plan your exit points before entering a trade. Having having clear exit criteria help you lock in profit and minimize losses. Stay humble. Even successful trade experience losses. Community allow you to learn from mistakes and grow as a trader. Continuous improvement. Always strive to improve your skill and knowledge. The pursuit of excellence is an ongoing process. Enjoy the process. Trading can be challenging, but it's also a rewarding journey. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the excitement of the financial marketing. Plan your exit point before entering a trade. Having clearly exit criteria help you lock in profits and minimize losses because there's a very important part to start trading. If you are entering, then you cannot back up, never give up in your life. First, you can earn money online and generate money online because money can purchase anything like your successful, your dreams, your etc. etc. Continuous improvement. Always strive to improve your skills and knowledges. The pursuit of excellence is an ongoing process. Trading can be challenging, but it also a rewarding journey. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the excitement of the financial marketing. Trading offers a world of opportunities to earn money, but it requires dedication, education, and discipline. By implementation these 40 trading wisdom, you will be well on your way to become a successful trader and achieving your financial goal. Remembering trading is not get to rich quick scheme; it's a journey that rewards those who approach it with patience and committing to learning and growth. Patience is very successful in trading because you don't have patience, then you can't do that. Start trading. If you have patience, then you can do start trading from one and one trading sources. Day trader execute multiple traders within a single day, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. Contrarian trader take position opposite to the prevailing marketing sentiment, capitalizing on potential reversals. Swing traders hold position for several days or weeks, capitalizing on medium-term trends. Scalpers aim to profit from thin price changes by executing numerous and rapid area. In forex, carry traders earn money by taking advantages of interest rate differential between carry prices. Artificial involves a floating price discrepancies of the same asset on a different marketing on platform. Utilize algorithm and automated system to execute trade based on predefined criteria. Combine both fundamentals and technical analysis can provide a complete way of the market. Learn from successful traders by observing their strategies and analyzing their thought products. There is a very important part: follow experienced trade. Learn from successful traders by observing their strategies and analyzing their whole process, stay informed about upcoming economy events that could impact the market and adjust your trading accordingly.